Morning, guys. Ugh. I can't say that this trip's been a bust. More so of a major disappointment. Um, the river is stressing me out. uh, Times it's flowing, times it's not. Uh, Last night it wasn't flowing much. I was able to get water for the night. And then this morning, it's flowing. It's being a real tease. Uh, yeah. Uh, Good news, at least I did see a trout in there in one of the pools. It was about yay long. By the time I got down, it was gone. So, yeah. Uh, Been having trouble sleeping. It's just been getting cold. It's just been, cold. I think it's probably more likely due to my lack of caloric intake. Um, well, considering that I am not able to get any fish, can't get any marmots, and my emergency standby meals, which is the freeze-dried meals, don't have a whole lot to them. And I can tell I've lost weight, which is a good thing. I've been wanting to lose weight. But right now, at the moment, just finished up some breakfast. And right now, purified some water. Going to purify some more water right here to have it on standby just in case. But yeah, today's going to be kind of a mind job on me. One, it's the solstice, first day of summer, longest day of the year, yay. And well, should congratulate, it's also Father's Day. Um, those who are fathers, congratulations, and hug your kids close. Shit. Yeah, I thought I could get away with it. It's always been a rough day for me. Always wanted kids, wife can't have kids. Uh, Try the adoption process, that was an absolute nightmare. Nothing like go jumping through all the hoops and everything, and then finding out that your wife has fibro. Oh, gee, sorry, we can't help you. And that's me putting it nicely. Did have a opportunity to do a open adoption. The unfortunate part is the girl did not quite comprehend what adoption is. Thought it was, adoption would be like, oh, we could take care of the baby and she'd be a nanny. Don't get me started on fostering. That terrifies me because get close to a child and then have them say, oh, okay, we're going to move this child to another home. You know. Yeah, sorry if I'm starting to sound kind of emotional. Lack of sleep, lack of food, stressing out about water. Hey, real survival situation, eh? But got to push on. Got to plod on. You don't want to give up. Oh no, you don't. Don't do that. Don't do that. Would that be all? Spill the water into the fire. Wow. Yeah. So I'm sorry that this is becoming a disappointment. It's an absolute disappointment to me here. So I'll figure something out. Anyways, sorry for about this gloomy shot right now. So maybe it'll be better later. Catch you all later. Hey guys, just to let you know I'm feeling a little bit better here. After the video here, I sort of did a kind of a prayer meditation type of thing, I guess you could say. Whatever it is, I felt something come over me. Basically just feeling like, I was like, everything's okay right now. So, with that, I decided, might as well check that river that, I've been thinking about in case this runs dry. And sure enough, it's not only running, but I saw fish in there. And because of that is I grabbed myself a piece of willow right here to make a fishing rod out of it. And see if that works. Got this piece of shiny here to make a lure. Doing also a little reading, a little more, last in the breed. So, anyways, that's one thing to do, when you get blows like that, is find a way to get yourself occupied to do something. So, there you have it. Oh yeah, I did, early on, almost came this close to actually catching a fish by hand. This close. I actually had my hand around it like this type of thing. It was just about ready to squeeze. Did you know that trout can rocket backwards? They do. He went, what? So, yeah, maybe I should have just pushed it down. I don't know. But that was kind of a big rush right there. So, anyways, that's it for right now. I might try fishing here in some of the pools I see. That's the, while the water's not running, it does have pools that I've seen some trout in there. So maybe I could try and get some dinner there instead of the freeze-dried meal. Alright, talk to you later. Well, got skunked. Yeah, I guess the water's just too shallow over there. They're real skittish. As soon as I threw the hook in there, they went boop, and it hit under the bank and wouldn't come out. So, I guess it's going to be a frozen, freeze-dried meal tonight. Again, I'm really starting to really not like them. Alright, well, let's get dinner going.